Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to extract audio from a video using Canva. If you've ever had a video and wanted just the sound from it, maybe to use as background music, a narration, or to repurpose it for a podcast, Canva actually makes this process super straightforward. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to pull the audio right out of any video, all within Canva's easy-to-use interface. So let's jump right in. First things first, head on over to Canva. So open up your browser, type in canva.com and log into your account if you haven't already. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can sign up for free. It only takes a minute or two. Canva is an amazing tool not just for designing, but for a lot of creative editing, so it's worth setting up an account if you plan to do these kinds of projects regularly. Once you're in, look for the Create button, usually sitting right up at the top of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a bunch of different design options, but for what we're doing today, you'll want to select Videos. This tells Canva you're starting a new video project, which unlocks the tools and features specific to working with video and, of course, audio. Now that your blank video project is open, head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side. This is where Canva keeps all sorts of useful stuff, everything from graphics and stickers to videos and audio clips. Click over to Elements and take a moment to browse around if you're curious, but for our purpose, let's go straight to picking a video. You can search for a video that fits what you need, whether it's a stock video Canva provides or something you upload yourself. For practice, just grab any sample video for now. After you've dropped your video into the timeline, let's say you also want to add a separate audio track as well. Maybe you want to listen to how different sounds work together or compare the video's own audio to something else. You can find the audio section either in Elements or from the left sidebar too. Just add an audio track underneath your video the same way you added the video. Canva lets you layer and arrange these tracks, which is really handy if you're getting creative. Now for the most important part, the actual extracting of audio from your video. If you've got a video loaded and you want just the audio, look closely underneath the video slides in your timeline. You'll see a colored line there that's representing the audio that's tied to your video clip. To separate that audio, all you have to do is click directly on that colored line. It'll highlight or become active. Then simply hit the delete key on your keyboard, and that's it. You've just removed the audio from the video timeline, which leaves you with just the video visuals, or depending on how you mix things, just the separate audio track you brought in. If you want to export the audio by itself, you can mute the video visuals or adjust your export settings as needed. It really is that simple in Canva. Sometimes these things sound more intimidating than they are, so don't worry if you needed to go through the steps a couple of times to get comfortable. Remember, you can always undo an action with the undo button if you make a mistake, no harm done. That's all for today's tutorial. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about extracting audio or anything else in Canva, drop them in the comments below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.